This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Judy Attari. Under construction. Come and take in this spectacular conservation and water view home. This craftsman 2-story floor plan has 2,170 square feet of open living space and features 3 bedrooms, a large loft, 2.5 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. As you enter the home into the foyer, you will have an expansive view and flow of the first floor with foyer open to the great room and dining room combo with sliding glass doors to the covered lanai and open to the island counter and kitchen. This is where you'll spend your time looking out at the water. The kitchen offers a nice size island with beautiful quartz counters and plenty of seating area. The kitchen boasts 42 cabinets, large closet pantry with separate storage for a morning kitchen and stainless steel appliances. The owner's suite is on the 2nd level. Photos are taken of other finished 305 inland model homes, and are for display/layout purposes only. Actual home is under construction and selections will vary based on spec designs for the specific home site. Actual selections for this home are not shown in images. Additional home features include a loft, pocket office and open area for a coffee bar, morning kitchen setup, 4 can lights per room and pre-wire for ceiling fans in all bedrooms, 2 pendant pre-wires over the kitchen island, tray ceiling in the primary bedroom. For more information, review the details below or contact Judy Attari at 941-907-2000.